Update on the game. We have gotten so far as to build more panels, but they're not really responsive. I got extremely stuck on trying to figure out how to detect a mouse click on a freaking inventory item. I ended up changing the boxes here into buttons themselves, which I don't know if I needed to do that. And at one point, while trying to figure out what I was supposed to do, I had the event system highlighted during gameplay and saw that it was giving information. So I serialized the event system in the inventory controller, and that's weird. That seems to have a different name all of a sudden. Why does it say that? I don't know why it says that. It has the name here, inventory button click, and that was something I was messing around with trying to get the button to work. Anyways, so I figured it out, and it took me forever, and I'm kind of doing it in a hack job way. It's detecting where the button is pressed on what game object, and so then it reads in these game objects and actually takes apart the string of the game object name and uses that number for the array. Totally stupid, and I know that's not the best way to do it, but that's what I'm doing. So the next step was I decided there needs to be a little info box on the item itself, and we're going to need to put some more buttons down here. Buttons down here, namely build, equip, and use. That way some things that you can build that are like one-time uses could be used. And so this is where it's getting really complicated. So in the item object, that's what I've been working on this morning, is expanding the variables. And the more I add, the more I just realize how crazy this is. There is so much involved. So yeah, like I'm trying to make the item object be the object for all things. So that means, you know, there's shared variables. Is it a built item? What items are required to build? How many to build it? Is the item immediately placed? Meaning that, like, because you can't hold on to a campfire. Once you build a campfire, you need to set it down, right? So otherwise you hold on to it. So as I was saying, in the GUI, there might be a button called use, and like, so a potion would be something that you could build that you don't necessarily have to use right away. So but I can't really think of anything else that's like that. So anyways, that's it.